Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we have a special video. We have two parts. The first part will be drawing a right angle triangle, and in the second part, we'll be proving one of the circle theorem. So please stay to the end of the video so we can actually show you how we can use the AutoCAD software to prove the theorem. We'll be starting the video now. In part one, we'll be drawing the right angle triangle given the hypotenuse and the length of the side. So we'll be starting the video now. At CAD with Mr. Hugh, we aim to become your favorite CAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. Now, in the previous video, we looked at the construction of an isosceles triangle given the lengths of the two equal sides and the included angle. Alright, so we'll be starting the video now. So the first thing we're gonna draw is a given hypotenuse, right? So we're gonna select a point right here, and the length of the line will be 100 millimeters. Enter. We're gonna center the drawing so they can see. We're gonna zoom it up. Alright, so this is a hypotenuse, alright? So let us label it, alright? So we're gonna go single line text. Gonna turn off snap. Gonna select here as a starting position. The height will be 4 millimeters, rotational angle 0, all caps. So this is A and this is B. All right. The next step is to draw a circle. All right. So we're gonna go to circle. Gonna turn on object snap. Good. And here is the circle. Enter. All right. The next step is to mark an arc equal to the length of the side. So recall, we are constructing a right angle triangle given the hypotenuse and the length of the side. So this, let me indicate the diameter so you can follow along. So we drew the diameter. So this diameter was or is 100 millimeters. All right. What we're going to do from A, we're going to mark the length of the side that is given. So we're going to go under the draw tab. We're going to go under the arc. I'm going to drop down. I'm going to select center, start, end. So the center would be at A. The radius would be 40 millimeters. Enter. And we're going to mark the arc coming around like that. Good. Where the arc intersect the circle that we drew previously, that is C. So we're going to go single line text. I'm going to choose right here as a start. The height will be 4 millimeters, rotational angle 0, and this will be C. Or the next step is to draw a line from C to B. So we go line, enter. And we draw another line from A to C. Enter. So this is really, and this will be the 90-degree angle right there, right? We're going to move the A so that it looks neat. Select the object, press enter, select the base point. I'm going to turn off object snap. I'm going to put the A right there. All right. Likewise, we're going to move up the B. So we're going to move enter, enter the base point. I'm going to move it up right there. All right. Looks a little bit better. All right. What we're going to do now, I'm going to put this line, and this line on the outline layer so that the finished triangle is dark. All right. So we're going to indicate the length of the side. So, all right, so we're going to measure the distance AC. So we'll go there, there, and that's 40. Good. We're going to indicate the length for the side AB. So we're going to measure here. Going to come down. See, that's 100 for the side. All right, now the right angle. We're going to indicate the right angle. So what we're going to do to indicate the right angle, we're going to draw a line. So we're going to draw a line from here, coming down, And then we're going to come across like this. And then we're going to come back like this. Enter. And that indicates our 90 degree. All right, that's a right angle triangle. All right, so let us label the drawing now. All right, so we're going to move this up. All right, so we're going to go text, multi-line text. I'm going to go right here. I'm going to select the writing area right there. The height is 4, so we can type now. So to construct a right angle triangle given the hypotenuse, which is the longest side, and another side. All right. So in today's video, AB is equal to 100 millimeters and AC is equal to 40 millimeters. All right. And it's a right angle triangle, so we knew that the side, the angle ACB is 90 degrees. So we're going to put it in. And angle ACB equals 90 degrees. All right. All right, so we're going to put a comma here. All right, so this brings us to the end of today's video. Good job if you got the drawing correct, as you always do. We have come to the end of part 1, where we drew the right angle triangle given the hypotenuse and the length of the side. In part 2, we'll be showing you the circle theorem, which is applicable to this construction because we had a right angle triangle. So we're going to prove the theorem in the second part. At CAD with Mr. U, we aim to become your favorite CAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. Hope to see you in part 2, where we're looking at one of the circle theorem application to the triangle which we do in part 1. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.